Hello friends who love travel and adventure. In this trip, I am taking you to Kuşadası, one of the most beautiful coastal cities of Turkey, which is among the holiday destinations I enjoyed the most and literally fell in love with. This fascinating holiday resort, located on the southwestern coast of the country, is famous for the turquoise blue waters of the Aegean Sea and its blue flag beaches. With its golden sandy beaches, absolutely magnificent sunsets, rich history and culture, vibrant marina nightlife, and breathtaking viewpoints where you will never get tired of taking photos. Kuşadası will be one of your unforgettable holiday plans. Kuşadası will be a wonderful travel route where green nature, history, and magnificent coastal life meet in perfect harmony, and where you will create unforgettable memories. Like all of us, I get tired of the intense work tempo and dream of leaving myself in the depths of green nature and blue waters as soon as possible. For this reason, without postponing life, I love making short but unforgettable escapes like this at the first opportunity I find. During a 3-day period that I was able to find, I turned this peaceful and equally adventurous Kuşadası journey into a video for you. If you also love taking photos like me, get ready. Because in Kuşadası you will admire the magnificent sea views, especially during sunrise and sunset. You can also cool off in the crystal clear turquoise waters of the Aegean, get lost in its historical narrow streets, walk along the long coastline, or simply relax peacefully in the soothing coastal atmosphere and enjoy your short trip. Kuşadası is not just a place to relax, but also a holiday destination full of culture, history, and unforgettable scenery. It is especially among the most preferred destinations by European tourists. My goal is to share the most beautiful views of Kuşadası and my experiences during the 3 days I spent here, so that it can serve as an example for you. In the content of this video, during my Kuşadası trip, I will first share with you the easiest and most economical transportation options, my accommodation recommendations, and the local tastes and flavors you must try before leaving Kuşadası. If you also enjoy travel routes like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share your thoughts with me in the comments. Now let's begin. 3-day Kuşadası escape while planning our trip. Let's first talk about how we can reach Kuşadası. The nearest airport to the region, İzmir Adnan Menderes Airport, is located approximately 1 hour away from the city center by car. From the airport, private shuttle companies and local bus options are available to Kuşadası. If you want to move freely during your trip, my preference would be to use professional car rental services available at the airport. Especially if you want to explore nearby historical sites, hidden quiet beaches, and breathtaking viewpoints at your own pace, renting a car is very useful. If you are a motorcycle user, riding a motorcycle along the Aegean coast accompanied by olive trees and sea views can also be a very enjoyable option. When it comes to accommodation, your options in Kuşadası are quite wide. This beautiful blue coastal town offers a wide range of accommodation options suitable for every budget and travel style. If you are someone who wants to wake up to a sea view every morning, hotels around Aydın Denizi and the marina will be an excellent choice. If you prefer a calmer, quieter, and more peaceful atmosphere, boutique hotels and small guest houses located on hillside areas, which are perfect for relaxing, will offer you a soothing environment surrounded by nature. If you did not choose to rent a car, staying in the center would be the most suitable choice. When you stay in the center, you can find many affordable and comfortable hotels within walking distance of restaurants, beaches, and nightlife. Whether you are traveling alone or coming with a large family or group of friends, it doesn't matter. Kuşadası offers accommodation options suitable for everyone. Now it's time for one of my favorite topics: unique flavors that appeal to our taste buds. One of my favorite aspects of traveling is discovering local foods. Turkish breakfast culture is very rich, not only throughout the country, but also in the Aegean region. Starting the day with a traditional Turkish breakfast consisting of olives, cheese, fresh bread, honey, and fresh organic vegetables grown in the region helps. You begin the day full of energy and allows you to enjoy your travel route fully without worrying about time or hunger. The olive oil of the Kuşadası region is among the highest quality olive oils in the world. For lunch, seafood restaurants around the marina offer fresh and delicious options by serving fish caught the same morning. If you don't want to spend too much time on meals, you can also try traditional street foods such as gizlim, fresh sandwiches, and local snacks that you can find on almost every corner. In the evening, rewarding yourself with fresh grilled fish, calamari, and shrimp by the sea while watching the famous sunset will be one of the best experiences. One of the most unforgettable aspects of your trip will also be the friendliness and hospitality of the local people. Even a short conversation with a local shopkeeper can turn into a warm and sincere experience. Turkish tea, the most consumed drink in Turkey, is often offered to you, and local people are always happy to help. This beautiful and warm atmosphere proves once again how safe Kuşadası is as a holiday destination both for solo travelers and families. Day 1. On the first day of my Kuşadası journey, I focused on exploring the coastal areas near the city center where I was staying. After a satisfying breakfast, I went to Kaydınlar Denizi Beach, one of the most popular beaches. With its golden sands, calm waves, and crystal clear turquoise water, you can experience a peaceful atmosphere. Swimming in the refreshing waters of the Aegean and enjoying the sun on this wonderful beach was a perfect start to the first day. Later, I explored the marina area, one of the places I was most curious about. Luxury yachts, seaside cafes, and walking paths offer a lively and relaxing environment. Watching the sunset from the shore was truly unforgettable. In the evening, I walked through the lively and vibrant streets of the city center, visiting small souvenir shops, local markets, and restaurants. Ending the day by eating delicious fish by the sea was a perfect reward. Day 2, on the second day of my trip, I focused more on exploring the historical and natural places of the region. After breakfast, I visited the world-famous Ephesus Ancient City early in the morning. Walking through the ancient streets surrounded by massive stone structures, temples, and theaters felt like traveling through time. The size and beauty of this place are truly breathtaking. I cannot pass without giving a small reminder. When visiting these Turkish historical sites, your choice of shoes can be more important than you expect. I definitely recommend choosing comfortable sports shoes in the afternoon. I relaxed at one of the quieter beaches and enjoyed the peaceful atmosphere away from the crowds in the evening. I returned to the city center and dived into the lively nightlife. If you love music and dancing, Kuşadası offers many venues where you can listen to music and enjoy a vibrant atmosphere. Day 3. On the third and final day of my short Kuşadası route, I chose to visit one of the most beautiful natural areas near the region, Dilik Peninsula, Büyük Menderes Delta National Park. After seeing it, I realized how right my decision was. This national park offers a fascinating atmosphere with its untouched beaches, crystal clear blue waters, and incredibly beautiful natural scenery. Driving along the forest roads in this area and discovering hidden, quiet bays is a true nature escape. Trying local flavors at local businesses was also a great choice. Especially the taste of the famous Turkish diner is still unforgettable. Throughout the national park, the water was much clearer and calmer, making it a perfect place for swimming and relaxing. Spending time with the deep blue sea in front of you and beautiful green nature behind you, listening to the sound of the waves, and enjoying the peaceful environment was the best way to end this journey. Before leaving, I had one last Turkish coffee at a sea view spot, and I must say I liked it so much that I even bought a few packs of ground coffee to take with me. My experience and thoughts this 3-day escape I spent in Kuşadası, a holiday destination connected to Aydın province in Turkey, gave me an unforgettable experience with its wonderful beaches, rich history, warm and friendly people, and impressive natural scenery. Whether your goal is to relax, seek adventure, take photos, or make cultural discoveries, Kuşadası offers options suitable for every taste and preference. Thank you very much for accompanying me throughout my 3-day Kuşadası route. If you have questions about this holiday destination, you can ask in the comments. I would be happy to share my experiences. Which would you prefer the most? Swimming in the cool turquoise waters of the Aegean, or exploring the ancient history of Ephesus and walking through its streets? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you on the next travel route. Stay with love.